Want to know how to make money in an easy way? Don't worry, because this channel got you. Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make money using ChatGPT, a new method. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open up your browser of choice. Then, what you want to do next is to press your search bar and then type in chat.openai.com or just simply search ChatGPT on Google. As you can see, my account is already signed in on ChatGPT. So, just kindly sign into your existing account before proceeding. However, if you do not have a ChatGPT account, what you want to do is to just sign up or log in an existing account like your Gmail. Once here, you can already start chatting with the AI. Now, what we are going to do is to ask the AI to make a script for us. So, I'll be typing in build sample resume for a junior software developer with 2 years of experience and skills in Python and Java. Or you can just use this line that you can see on your screen as your guide. And then, what you want to do is press the airplane button to enter the message. What will happen next is ChatGPT will now generate you a resume for a junior software developer with 2 years of experience and skills in Python and Java. And then, what you want to do is press the airplane button to enter the message. As you can see, the bot will generate you a resume with keywords that overall enhances the resume. Now that you have your resume generated, what you want to do now is to open up a new tab and search up resume.com in the web or search it using Google. So in here, what you want to do is log in into your account. However, if you do not have an account, what you want to do is to just sign up. A pop-up will appear too if you want to sign in into your account, or another option, which is the option to log in as a guest. What you want to do is just continue as a guest. In here, you will see the resume. When you press the first name, last name part, a pop-up menu will appear. In this pop-up, it will ask you about your employees and other several things regarding your client. What you want to do is just fill this up and press save. So, when you are done, another thing we can do is to make the cover letters. So, head back to ChatGPT again and just type in, write a sample cover letter, junior software developer with 2 years of experience and skills in Python and Java. Or again, you can use the line that you can see on your screen as your guide. And then, when you get back to resume.com, what you're going to do is to press the cover letter option to reveal the drop-down menu. Then, what you want to do is press samples. So in here, you can just simply copy and paste the sample that you made in ChatGPT. So once you are done, you can now proceed by downloading your resume with this button. Now that you have your resume, you can now upload it into sites that hires people like Fiverr. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now make money using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.